Having pets is amazing, but at times living with them gets a little hard. Have you ever imagined a sofa or a bed in your home without dog fur? That is just a dream for many, right? Pets are a joy to have, but they make messes that can be tough to clean. But nowadays, there are several cool gadgets to help you to make yourself and your pets comfortable. Let us peek into the cleaning products we rely on to remove fur, eliminate odors and stains, and keep our floors clean. 1. Chom Chom Roller. Trying to keep your home clean with pets can feel like a never-ending battle, so products like the Chom Chom Roller appeal to pet owners. This reusable pet hair removal device is like a lint roller, but you don't have to peel off sticky hair-covered sheets constantly. Are you intrigued yet? The T-shaped device has a handle you hold onto, and when you flip it over, the roller itself is covered in a red fuzzy material interspersed with a few rubber pieces that stick out about half an inch. To use the Chom Chom, roll it back and forth quickly across a fabric surface in short strokes. The protruding rubber piece stops the roller from making a full rotation. It's straight to the point with no unnecessary bells or whistles. When you're done, hit the eject button on the back of the handle to open the dirt compartment. This is easy, but you must manually scoop the dirt, dust, and hair. It would be nice if it came with a small tool to help clean out the compartment. 2. Rocco & Roxy Litter Box Odor Eliminator. Rocco & Roxy's Litter Box Odor Eliminator is produced of crucial oils and corn cob fragments that work to annihilate the litter's odor and moisture. It effectively absorbs even the strongest litter box smells. Its proprietary blend of essential oils neutralizes odors at a molecular level, keeping your litter box smelling fresher and longer. It mixes easily with all types of litter, extending litter life by wicking away moisture. Go longer between cleanings and save more money because you need less litter. It is 100% safe for people and pets. It is purely plant-based. Made from all-natural, highly absorbent corn cob granules that wick moisture from urine and feces. It brings on your foulest feline friends. As always, we stand behind our products 100%. We earn your 5-star reviews by making high-quality products that work. It is also great for trash compactors, garbage cans, kennels, and animal carriers. 3. Fur Remover Extendable Pet Hair Removal Broom. Aside from being a broom, a fur remover likewise accomplishes the job of a lint roller, gathers up crumbs like a vacuum cleaner, and seizes dust. The 100% natural pet hair remover rubber broom attracts pet hair like a magnet to easily remove fur from carpets, rugs, hardwood, and linoleum. Specially designed as a carpet brush for a dog hair remover and a cat hair remover, Rug Hair Remover effortlessly adjusts the grip length to suit any user. The handle expands from 36 to 60 inches, causing this high A-quality rug hair removal tool. Dog fur remover, rug scraper for pet hair, windows, tile, and more. The Rug Pet Hair Remover gets your textures cleaner. Works well as a rug rake for pet hair removal. Simply wash away the excess cat and dog hair on the rubber broom bristles using soapy water and renewing. Natural rubber is easy to clean and requires little maintenance. The carpet squeegee broom cleans windows, showers, and windshields with ease. It wipes away liquid spills on tile, concrete, or hardwood surfaces such as interior flooring. 4. Black & Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. The Black & Decker Dust Buster vacuum removes hair, dirt, and debris from carpets, car interiors, furniture, and high-traffic areas. It is effortless to carry and operate, even in tight spaces. It has a charging ground that cannot be scaled on a wall. It also has an end-board extension, so you won't need to bend over as often. Its nozzle rotates 180 degrees to fit into tight spaces at different angles. It also helps in accessing hard-to-reach areas like between couch cushions and on top of shelves. The vacuum adds an extra layer of versatility for dusting and vacuuming upholstery. It pins dust and debris away from the filter, supplying consistently strong suction power. Translucent, bagless dirt bowl empties easily for convenient debris disposal without touching the dirt. It can be cleaned right in the sink. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, this handheld vacuum is quintessential for larger assignments needing quick cleanup. 5. Carbona Oxy-powered 2-in-1 Carpet Cleaner. As we all know, the mat can be your most sinister foe regarding stains and blemishes. Fight back with Carbona 2-in-1 Oxy-powered carpet cleaner and feel the distinction in cleansing power. The Oxy-powered formula with an active foam mechanism penetrates even the toughest stains, leaving your carpet fresh and brighter. Make carpet cleaning a breeze with the dual stain-fighting applicator head. The sponge cleans surface stains and odors, while the bristles get deep in the carpet fibers to lift stains and leave your carpet spotless. Use promptly after the stain occurs for easier stain removal. Test for color fastness on a hidden section. Do not use silk, velvet, Haitian cotton, or fabrics harmed by water. Safe to use around children. When it comes to cleaning, we know our stuff. Cleaning-related catastrophes? Please. Stains that haunt you forever? Yeah, right. Disasters are comical because we always win with products formulated to treat specific messes. 6. Bissell Spinwave Pet Robot 2-in-1 Wet Mop and Dry Robot Vacuum. Every buy rescues pets. Bissell proudly endorses Bissell Pet Foundation and its mission to help save stray pets. This vacuum has a 2-tank cleaning system. It either powerfully vacuum or actively mop your floors. The built-in lithium-ion battery provides up to 130 minutes of runtime on hard floors in low mode and recharges in 4 to 5 hours. In dry cleaning mode, Triple Action Cleaning System utilizes dual spinning edge brushes, a rotating brush roll, and powerful suction with up to 1500 PA to clean debris on carpet and hard surfaces. Rotating mop pads scrub and clean floors, including wood, tile, linoleum, and other sealed hard floors. 7. Nature's Miracle Laundry Stain and Odor Additive Bioenzymatic Formula for Pets. The beauty of this product is that it is an enzymatic cleaner, which means it neutralizes pet odors, including urine. It's also free of fragrances that might irritate a cat's or dog's skin. The fabrics come out of the wash without adding additional detergent, with minimal to no lingering odors. This Laundry Boost cleaner is used for removing stain and odors. Add this to wash loads along with your laundry detergent to remove stains and odors. It is safe to use in every wash load and effective in hot and cold temperatures. The phosphate-free cleaning system breaks down urine, blood, vomit, grease, and oil. It is perfect for use on clothing, pet beds, and more. We're sure you're going to be very happy, but we will make it right if you are unsatisfied with this product. 8. Litter Genie Plus Pail Ultimate Cat Litter Disposal System. As easy as 1, 2, 3 from the makers of Diaper Genie, the nose-friendly, life-improving cat litter disposal system works in just 3 steps. Scoop the pet waste, open the lid, and drop the clumps, and pull the handle to lock away litter and odors. As a cat behaviorist for over 20 years, Jackson Galaxy, the official cat daddy, understands what it takes to create a happy home for cats and the people who love them. Litter Genie is a necessity and not a luxury in his home, so he recommends this cat litter disposal system to all cat owners across America. The pail bears up to 14 days of cat litter for one cat, so you can spend more time playing with your kitty and making daily trash trips less. The compact design makes Litter Genie Plus perfect for small spaces and homes with multiple litter boxes. Discreetly store your pail in a cabinet or small space near your cat's litter box for quick, hassle-free cleanup. 9. OXO Good Grip Silicone Shower and Tub Drain Protector. When bathing thick-coated dogs from home, it's easy to live in the moment and let all the furs go down the drain. However, that's a recipe for clog buildup and future pipe blockage. Its tall and dome design fits both flat and pop-up drains. It effectively aids in catching hair while allowing water to drain. The weighted stainless steel accent holds drain protector in place. This drain protector is designed with silicone edges that lie flush on the tub surface, so nothing slips underneath. It catches a ton of the thick undercoat loosened during doggy baths, making cleanup easier. It is built with materials that resist rust for long-term use. 10. Clorox Disinfecting Wipes. Clorox disinfecting wipes are established to kill COVID-19 virus in 15 seconds. They clean and kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria with a powerful wipe. These all-purpose disposable wipes dismiss common allergens, embryons, and messes on kitchen counters, bathroom surfaces, and more. These wipes are safe for finished wood, sealed granite, and stainless steel on non-food contact surfaces in the home, office, classroom, pet area, dorm, and locker room. Disinfect and deodorize with Clorox disinfecting wipes for a bleach-free, all-in-one cleaning alternative that's safe to use on toys and more. Would these cleaning tools and gadgets help you? Will these gadgets and tools help keep your dwellings neat and clean? Comment down whether these items are worth a try if you own a pet. Until then, adios.